guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve an everyday natural looking glam makeup for dark skinned girls. If you're like me and you don't like to do too much, then this video is definitely stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to do my eyebrows. I do have a very detailed eyebrow tutorial on my channel. I'm gonna put it in the comment section, or I'll put a link in the description box so you guys can click on it and go watch that video, because I don't want to waste too much time trying to do my eyebrow on camera. Then I'll be back to show you guys the rest of how I achieve my makeup. So I went ahead and I completed my eyebrows, and we're gonna move on to the next step, which is to put on a primer. I have this Mary Kay primer. Just gonna put it all over my face. I have a mirror right here, so I'm just looking at this mirror here. And today I'm going to use this foundation, Revolution foundation. I got this from my local Ulta store. It's quite inexpensive, so yeah. And I like that it has like this brush right here, so it makes application very easy. And I have my damp beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend away. So next I'm gonna use the Revolution concealer. This is this number is C13, if you guys can see. The Revolution powder in the shade Banana. I'm gonna put that underneath my eye and my nose. So usually I don't let this powder sit for a long time. I just immediately go ahead and tap it off with my brush, and I'm using Studio Fix powder in the shade NW45. Just gonna use that to, like, you know, just blend away, tap gently, and I'm just gonna blend away all of that. Going to go with this eyeshadow, and I use this darker shade just to put a bit more highlight on my So next I am going to put on my mascara. I use the Maybelline Great Lash mascara. I really love this mascara. So we're pretty much done. I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow, nothing too much. I have this LA Colors. I got this from my local Ross store. I'm just gonna put just a little bit of color, nothing major. Okay, this is what the palette looks like, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. That's right here. This is the same color that I use for everything. I don't even know what I'm doing, but that's my favorite color in this palette. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. This is a facial spray by Mary Kay. I just use it on my face after I do my makeup. I mean, that's what I have available, so I'm just gonna spray that all over. I like to put it my highlight after I spray my face because I feel like I get the most out of my highlight afterwards. It pops a little bit more. So I have this highlighter by Amana. I get this from my local Ross store. So and I like to just finish everything off with this brush that I used to apply my powder, just so that everything is